Hello! I've been told I have just 1 minute to convince you to join me at this hackathon in developing a maintenance-free supplier-hosted PPC caching proxy. So, I'll speak quickly and over the next 3 minutes try to do just that. My vision is a server application that acts as an intermediary between users requesting pricing and configuration data and suppliers providing it. It is a proxy and a cache in that users make PPC requests directly to it. It stores its own copy of the PPC data to send to users and refreshes that data from the supplier endpoint when it becomes stale. It is supplier-hosted, meaning that each supplier runs their own instance, allowing them to still control their own data. Also, after it is set up, it is maintenance-free so that it requires no further attention from the supplier. PPC is arguably the most difficult PromoStandards service to implement, and without a good implementation of PPC, completing a connected workflow using the purchase order service is next to impossible. Well-designed, simple tools that help suppliers implement PPC help everyone. Life is too short to deal with supplier data quirks individually, so I'm hoping to tackle them all at once with your help. PPC responses are often slow. This makes it difficult to use them interactively in dynamic user interfaces. Aggressive caching can speed this up. It is particularly difficult for service providers to cache PPC data because pricing varies per user, which can lead to enormous caches. A supplier-hosted cache mitigates this somewhat. Maybe you're a supplier sitting smugly at the bottom of this table and speed isn't an issue for you. I can assure you that during your PPC integration with distributors or service providers, you have had some issues with data quality. Poor data quality can be especially pernicious. A proxy can screen PPC data to avoid common data errors and report them to the supplier whenever they are discovered. All you suppliers are thinking, but my data is perfect! You still have to consider request volume and server load. A caching proxy is designed to serve a high volume of requests and can mitigate abuse with rate limiting to reduce the load on your more important servers. It can continue to serve data even if your source servers are offline for whatever reason. Sleep easy as those service providers hammer away at your PPC service, knowing that they're not going to accidentally DDoS your whole system. Still not convinced? How about we wrap it all up in a stunning analytics dashboard that details just who is calling your endpoints and how often, which products are being requested most frequently, how quickly distributors and service providers are receiving pricing data, and how that compares against your original endpoint. My name is Robert. I'm a member of the PromoStandards Standards Committee and a software lead on the dev team at commonsku. This is an ambitious project, probably too ambitious for the fewer than 8 full days that we have available, which is why I need your help and expertise to bring it to fruition. If you are interested and you can write code, test software, understand PromoStandards specifications, design pretty interfaces, tune systems for performance, create product demos, analyze product data, convince people to adopt new technologies, have opinions, have ideas how to make this project even better, or are generally pleasant to be around, please join me in bringing this vision to life. If you have questions or want me to convince you of the benefits of this project for your company's specific situation and why you should join our team, don't hesitate to contact me at robert@commonsku.com. Thank you.